Hey everyone! If you've ever logged into your Google account on multiple devices and forgot where, don't worry. Today, I'll show you the easiest and most effective way to remove your Google account from all devices in just a few clicks. This 2025 guide works perfectly on both mobile and desktop, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This is Google's official account management page. Once you're signed in, look at the left side of the screen and click on Security. Now scroll down until you see a section called Your Devices. This area shows every phone, laptop, or tablet currently logged into your Google account. To view all connected devices, click Manage All Devices. Here, you'll see a list of every device linked to your account, including the last time each one was active. If you spot a device you don't recognize or one you no longer use, just select it and click Sign Out. Confirm your action and Google will immediately remove your account from that device. Repeat this step for any other devices you want to sign out of. If you suspect any unauthorized access, it's also a good idea to change your password afterward. This ensures no one can log back in, and that's it. You've successfully removed your Google account from all unwanted devices. It's a quick way to keep your data private and your account secure. If you found this guide helpful, leave a like and share it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.